Hey guys, I cannot wait to hear your storytelling of your experiences to share with the class. I'll share mine first. I know we talked a little bit about mine in class, but I want to give you an example of what I want your video to look like. So here are my story elements. The characters are me and my sister. The setting is the playground. The problem is a big dog came by and I was scared. The solution is my sister went on her bike to get my mom. Now today I want to try the second step where you get to retell topic, first, next, last, closing, the story of how it happened. So here's mine. One day, my sister and I went to the playground together. First, we were just playing around on the monkey bars and swings, having a blast. Next, a big dog came along and I was stuck. I didn't want to move and I was scared. Last, my sister got on her bike and rode all the way back to my mom and dad to get help for me. As you can see, my sister and I had fun at the playground. All right, when you retell, start it with one day and end it with as you can see. I can't wait to hear your stories about your experiences.